Welcome back to English Stories. Do you know all common verbs used daily? Today, we will learn about them together. There will be a quiz at the end of the lesson to test your knowledge. So, let's get started. Run, run. Jump, jump. Eat, eat. Swim, swim. Write, write. Speak, speak. Dance, dance. Play, play. Listen, listen. Sing, sing. Drive, drive. Walk, walk. Read, read. Cook, cook. Study, study. Sleep, sleep. Watch, watch. Work, work. Talk, talk. Wait, wait. Call, call. Travel, travel. Clean, clean. Move, move. Help, help. Kiss, kiss. Sell, sell. Teach, teach. Ask, ask. Answer, answer. Open, open. Close, close. Stand, stand. Sit, sit. Smile, smile. Cry, cry. Laugh, laugh. Think, think. Remember, remember. Forget, forget. Find, find. Lose, lose. Buy, buy. Give, give. Take, take. Make, make. Break, break. Build, build. Destroy, destroy. Lost, lost. Are you enjoying the lesson? Time to taste your knowledge. You have 5 seconds for each question. Don't forget to follow and press the bell button to receive all the new content. So, let's get started.